Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix P0746 pressure control solenoid A performance stuck off. If you're getting P0746, you might notice the following symptom. You might notice poor gas mileage. You might notice the transmission is shifting erratically. You might notice the vehicle might be stuck in lift mode. You're going to notice the check engine light is going to turn on, and you might notice poor gas mileage. If you're getting P0746, it might be caused by a bad pressure control solenoid. The pressure control solenoid, it is going to be located inside the valve body, and when there's something wrong with it, for example, if it is clogged or there's an electrical issue or a connection issue, or let's just say it is corroded, it is possible they might trigger P0746 code. However, before replacing the pressure control solenoid, there's a few things you should check. First, make sure the transmission fluid is not dirty, and make sure the transmission filter is not clogged. If the transmission fluid is dirty or it is contaminated, for example, there's dirt inside the transmission fluid, or it is contaminated caused by moisture, or there's metal shaving inside the transmission fluid, or even coolant inside the transmission fluid caused by a bad transmission cooler, again, all of that can cause the pressure control solenoid to not work properly. Here is a close-up view of the pressure control solenoid. Now, when the pressure control solenoid is stuck off, most likely it is going to be caused by an electrical issue somewhere inside the pressure control solenoid. And when the pressure control solenoid is not working properly, it cannot direct the flow of the fluid through the valve body, and again, it can trigger P0746 code. The next reason why the pressure control solenoid failed is because most likely there's going to be contaminant inside the transmission fluid. So this is going to be the transmission filter, and if that transmission filter is clogged, again, it can cause the pressure control solenoid to be clogged as well. And also, when you're inspecting the transmission filter or transmission pan, I always look for the magnet, and I always touch the magnet. And if you see a lot of metal shaving on it, again, that metal shaving can enter the pressure control solenoid and cause the solenoid to clog as well. If the pressure control solenoid is clogged, you can always use carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner and spray on the inside of the solenoid, and hopefully it will fix the issue and cause the solenoid to unclog. If the pressure control solenoid is not the issue, then you might have a bad transmission control module. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.